I recently bought a Sony Xperia 5 Mark III from Ovantica website. So in this video, we'll just see quick unboxing and initial impressions on this device.
This video is an update about Sony Xperia 5 Mark III, which is in problematic condition device that I bought from Ovantica after 3 months. So it has more green lines now. And the question is, should you consider buying a problematic device from Ovantica or not? Let's see that in this video. So about these green lines, I don't know what exactly caused them because it didn't fall on the ground or in water. Sometimes it did overheat, but I don't use this phone too much. I don't even play any games on this phone. You can see that. So we don't know the exact reason for green lines. People say it's overheating and sometimes it has a faulty OLED panel. I think it's better to avoid Sony 5 Mark II, 5 Mark III and 5 Mark IV. Instead you should go for Xperia 1 series. So first let's see what phones come under problematic devices. Some phones have green line issues or display cracks or back panel dead. Sometimes one of the camera sensor might not work. You can only use some phones with Wi-Fi, or sometimes the SIM card slot is damaged, things like that, or faulty speaker. Sometimes touch might not work and a display might have dots, white dots or black dots. So these are the things that come under problematic device condition. Everything in this device is good except for green lines. And why did I buy a problematic phone? Because you get problematic devices 50% less price than the fully working phone. If you want to buy a fully working phone, it will cost you 15,000 and you can get a problematic phone at a half price. Like it costed me around 7,000 rupees. So that's why I bought this device. And I don't have any problem with the one line, but you should not buy a problematic phone as your main device because it can be hard to use it as daily because it can cause some problems. Do we get any warranty for problematic devices? No. They mentioned it very clearly in their website that for problematic devices they don't provide a regular warranty. You just get a 7 days replacement policy. So that's why I didn't even contact them after getting these green lines. So you should remember this point. Company mentioned it while buying. For problematic devices, you can get 7 days replacement warranty. After that, they don't have anything to do with you. So we can't say anything about the company. Let's keep that aside. So what are the problems you might face? This phone supports 5G, but in India you can use only 4G. Sometimes Wi-Fi disconnects. And Sony Xperia phones tend to heat a little bit more, and since we are in India, temperatures are really high and this phone heats quickly. If you want to use a camera after recording 5 minutes, Sony phones will give you a notification that a device temperature is higher, so you need to stop using. If you want to use further, it will close all the apps. That's the problem you can face with these phones. So who can buy problematic phones? If you want to use it as your secondary device as for something camera like that, then you can think of buying this. But if you ask me, I suggest that you should not buy any phone from any website that is refurbished. But you just want to buy these phones for experience, then you can buy because you'll get these phones at very less price. I bought this for 7,000 rupees around. I already made a video about Ovantica website. Should you buy from this website or not, and what are the warranty terms about that. And I made so many videos about Sony Xperia 5 Mark III camera. You can check the video test of Sony Xperia 5 Mark III videos and photo test videos in my channel, or I will give you the playlist of Sony Xperia 5 Mark III camera.